I'll get good views when I'm outside. We are here. That's our ride. All right, I'm gonna do a tour. Say hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Kitchen. Living room. And room right there. Open space. I love this house. Oh my gosh. 2 rooms in there. One over there. This is the outside area. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty here. I'm gonna just stay over here.
I mean, I would buy a house here, but like, what would I do for work?
Work from home. I had to switch to skirts because it was so hot in here. Oh my god, I'm dripping. The last time I came here was for New Year's, so that's why it's very different right now. This is our room. We have these 2 double beds because Nicole loves to be next to me. She just can't stay away. Say hi, Nicole. Hi. Of course, La Romana playing and La Romana. These are the golf courses. So these are the hotel rooms. They're really nice. We're in the Marina. We're gonna check it out.
We can just go this way.
This is the cutest phone case I've ever seen. I got it on Etsy, but we just had lunch and we're gonna go in the pool now for a bit. It's currently 3:52 and we're gonna start getting ready for the white party like at 6:30, 7. But it's really hot. It's like 91 degrees and it feels like 98, literally because of the humidity. I was going to wear like a cover up, but it's long sleeve and it's super hot outside, so I just decided to put on this little dress. I'm wearing this burgundy bikini that I got at Pretty Little Thing, I want to say. But yeah, it's cute. It's just to throw on to go outside. Alright, little update. We are ready for the white party. I'm wearing my Soleil necklace. Some hoops. I'm gonna show you the dress. Giving very mermaid vibes. And my pearl anklet. Nicole's almost done getting ready. Where's your outfit from?
Lulu's.
Any shoes?
Tarjay. But are we canceling them?
No. Zoom in on the dogs. Yeah. Okay, okay. I want to take some sunset pictures. We leave by like 7 and it is 6:52 people. We're almost supposed to be out. I want to try to vlog as much as I can, but I might be kind of shy at the white party. Okay. But it should be really pretty. It's on the beach. I'm gonna try to get some cute clips. We're both like on the same route. We're at the beach. Yeah.
This is what they mean by a combination of...
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, I guess it's...
That's the pool. That's the beach club. And this beach, oh my gosh. Oh my god, look, love. Aww.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
They have a little 360 thing.
Oh my god, how cute. Oh wait, I think that's... Is that
And this one?
We wish you the best. And this is such an amazing wedding.
We're back from the party. I'm gonna shower because I'm so sweaty.
This is how I was in Lebanon.
I don't want to see you flossing. We have to wake up at like what, 7:30 for the boat. It's gonna take the whole wedding party all around to another island. We'll see how fun that is tomorrow. So of course Nicole left her Invisalign case in the car. So of course I'm the one that has to go get it for her. Can I do this without unlocking the car? Let's see. Oh, where is it? Got it. I love this place. You can literally leave your cart with the windows down and nobody cares. Breakfast time. I love.
Me
Oh god, I look rough.
because we're always in like Orange Theory, like sweating our asses off, you know?
It's like 7:30 and my throat's a little wonky again. But the food looks so good. Just finished getting ready for the boat. I'm wearing my bejewels and necklaces. Bathing suit I got from Zaful a million years ago. And I actually thrifted this skirt. And I sewed a button on it. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing an Amazon swimsuit, a Target hat, H&M pants, Target shoes, and I'm missing something. Sunnies are from Quay.
Isn't it key?
Whatever. Come on, baby.
All right, we out. It's really cute. It's really cute. There's a lot of people. The Marina. We're gonna go eat soon in the back. There's drinks. Yes. And there's massages too. I want to see the price.
Massages.
And then they sell like t-shirts and like clothing too. I showered and I washed my hair. I have just a little dress on. I'll show you guys. Where's my dress? My uncle might be coming tonight, so we might go to dinner or make some dinner here. But for right now, I'm starving and I got burnt. I'm super burnt. Oh my god. Hopefully it'll turn into a tan tomorrow because my face is also pretty pale. Alright, I literally have not picked up the camera since last night, but we went to dinner with my uncles and I honestly just knocked out and I woke up like at 10 a.m. But now we're getting ready because Nicole's friends are coming and meeting my uncles. I wore this dress for like 5 minutes the first day, so cute. I'm wearing my beads bracelet, and paperclip necklace, and my hoops. So our friends left and they met my aunt and uncles and they really liked each other, so I'm really glad about that. Now I'm trying to pick which dress I'm gonna wear to the wedding because I still have no idea. Let me show you guys and maybe someone can comment what they thought. Okay, so I have this one dress. It's red. Okay, it has like ruffles and it's all the way to the floor. And then I have this one. It's like a halter with this. And then it goes down and there's like 3 slits. I don't know which one I want to wear. I still don't. I'm hoping that with my makeup and with my hair done, like I can think and pick one like from my gut. But I'm really bad with decisions and I don't know what to wear. One is more classy, one is giving me more elegant vibes. And it's gonna be during the sunset, which is really nice. So, but the other one's more like, I'm here, like satin silk with like a slit. So I don't know.
Oh, it's better. I can actually kind of see. Don't feel my struggle.
She's trying out a wedding hairstyle. I'm gonna just straighten it. And my aunt picked the green dress. So, and Nicole did too.
Well, no need to pay attention to me.
I just thought Nicole picked the green because she's wearing
Do you think I'm that
a
selfish?
red.
Do you think I'm that selfish?
Well, I just thought you didn't want to match. I'll insert pictures of our little group right here. So the wedding's at 6. They're gonna pick us all up in a bus at 5:30 and it's 2:30. So I'm gonna shower, straighten my hair, and do my makeup. Are you excited?
Oh, I thought you were asking the camera. I was like, sure.
Yo me lo llevé para lavarle la cinta. ¿Dónde será que yo lo puse? Pobres jardineros. Pero yo igual, yo cada vez que algo desaparece, ¿quién me lo robó? Y después mi mamá dice, no, está sucio y tú lo dejaste en una caja para donarlo. Yo digo, no, estaba en mi cuarto.
Okay, we are ready for the wedding. This is my dress. I picked the green one. Everyone picked the green one. So, it's a slit. It's 5:05. We need to take pics and then go.
Hemos cogido por los ah, míralo, ahí es el solo Hemos cogido por los
These rocks, watch out with these. We're here. This view with them is gonna be so.
There's a man in a kayak. We saw someone yesterday. Yeah, it was all the way down.
I don't know. I can't.
You will always be my greatest accomplishment. And after tonight, I can die a happy man knowing I married the love of my life.
Eres el mejor hijo y yerno y el mejor padre a nuestros bebés peludos. El mejor tío a nuestros sobrinos. Y sé que algún día serás el mejor padre para nuestros hijos.
Como marido y mujer. Ustedes quieren que yo diga esto en inglés también, así que hay que esperar. Pero ya puedes besar a tu esposa. Damas y caballeros, por favor que se escuche fuerte para los nuevos señor y señora Quintero.
To the party. So our names are there? Oh my gosh. I know that. Yes. When we think of the wedding, we both cried.
I didn't cry.
Show the name thing.
So here we have our names on the little champagne glasses. My name, table 2.
The best table. Marie and Pierre. And then the brothers are coming now. What, eating?
They're saying Diana's gonna have to get married in Hialeah.
You know what? This is a test for the airport. I'm gonna see what I can get away with.
He's done.
That's his future career. There's one more.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, I didn't even realize that one was there.
Oh, he pulls, bro.
There's more, bro.
This guy knows, bro. This guy knows.
Wait, where does he keep pulling them out from? I don't know.
Some more.
You know, I've been curious how many I had on me. I get to find out.
He's still pulling, bro. How many did you have? Bro, he's still pulling.
Is that the last one?
He's almost done. He's almost done. He's almost done. Here.
Good luck, kiddo.
You all just lost money.
Is that the last one?
Yes.
Oh my god! These golf carts go fast. I thought these golf carts went slow. No, I don't think we're going there. I don't know where we're going, but it's not that house that Joseph said.
That's right.
Thank you. I don't know this.
I love
Oh my gosh. Hello? Hi.
Excuse me.
I fucking love her.
Get your girl.
What is this?
Nicole, you are so.
Oh my god, my shoes are fucked up.
Two different.
And we went through the sprinkler, so that's why we're soaked. Hey, brother.
You gotta get it. I'm just wet for you.
I'm trying to take off all of my bobby pins.
We made it to the beach somehow. It is 2:07. Let's see what we do.
Oh my god, this is freaking awesome.
A troll. Okay, now, okay. Feed me, but it ain't no library, just want to tell you that I've had enough. I never want to hear you say, I want it that way. We're finally back home. I'm gonna take a shower and go to sleep. That's all.
Pero cuando tú vas a acostar, tienes que recogerlo.
We're leaving out to the airport. I don't want to go. We were only here for 4 days. Like how? What?
Sí, derecha.
Are you taking pictures? Video. Natural.